Hi guys, I just wanted to go over a build that I've been playing in the Perandus League, which is a Magma Orb Trapper. Using Magma Orb linked with Trap and the Sire of Shards to get a sufficient amount of AoE. So how Trap works with Sire of Shards is Sire of Shards adds 4 projectiles, which normally Nova around you, but when you're using with Trap, they'll shoot out where the trap goes off. And I'm also using Beacon of Ruin in order to proliferate Elemental Status effects. So the majority of my damage is coming from burn. So I have Ignite over here, and I have Ignite on all my jewels and some of my gear. I think I have a total of like 50% or so. And I'm also using Shaper of Desolation, which is really, really good. Unfortunately, it traps do not proc Shaper of Desolation, so it's somewhat inconsistent, but since Ignite does, it's still really nice. Um, so the gems I'm using are Magma Orb, Trap, Fire Penetration, Increased Area Effect, Pierce, and Trap and Mind Damage. Trap and Mind Damage, and Pierce are all double dipping with the burn damage. And I also swap out Area Effect with Clock Effect for bosses. On my tree, I'm picking up AoE, fire damage, the normal trap nodes, and a good amount of life. I think I have around 190%, and plus jewels maybe like 210. Okay, I have also Paragon Calamity over here, which is, it's just 8% reduced elemental damage. It's pretty nice. On my gear, so I have shards, obviously, which is really the only item that the build requires. I have Magma Radius on my helm. Let's see. Mako's Embrace, 10% chance to ignite, pretty straightforward. 8% chance to ignite on the boots. And then Doja's Damning for double curse. I'm using Temp Chains plus Flammability. And then my chest piece, which is really, really nice for this build. I would say it's required, but maybe you could switch it out for Combs Heart or Light Coil or something. Cloak of Flame, so besides the obvious effect of providing a lightning coil-like effect, 20% physical damage shaken as fire, you also get 10% chance to ignite and 50% ignite duration, which is really, really amazing. Alright, so I have a map right here, which I'll just do real quick.